So today I'm going to talk about the Lake Pichola Hotel. It's exactly at the Lake Pichola. You can see it's a very narrow street. Still the cars come in. There is Hotel Sarovar as well. I mean, it's also a good hotel. But let's talk about this Lake Pichola Hotel. You can see the entrance. As I'm walking towards it, let me tell you, it has the Udaipur Rajasthani tradition actually. You can see the travel desk. There is a travel thing which can arrange everything inside the hotel. That's the region for spa actually. This is the inside. Let me tell you one thing about Lake Pichola. Lake Pichola has an excellent restaurant called Upre, which may be one of the topmost because it has a very good ambience, which we are going to see in the video at the same point of time. I'm just entering Lake Pichola. Okay. On the right side, this is the reception. As we can see, the reception, amazing interiors as per the tradition of Rajasthan. We can see here nicely set up waiting area. And this is the breakfast area where the buffet is very okay. They just have live eggs, live dosa, idli, aloo paratha, chole bhature, juices, and tea, coffee. So I think that's a limited package or a limited buffet. Here, once we move out, you can see the beautiful Fateh Sagar Lake. You can see exactly. So when you look at from the rooms, this is the absolute view you will get. This is the boat where it starts 6:30 in the evening. They take you for a ride, 500 per person. You can see this. It's beautiful, and it's more beautiful in the morning time. So this is the reception area. This reception area is very good. You can see everything is so beautiful. This is the old clock. Maharaj Shakti Senji. It's all beautiful. Upre is on the top floor. It's open to sky restaurant. And again, look at this beautiful interior. I'm also going to take you to the rooms now. So I'm going towards the first floor. There's the stairs. You can see there is a waiting area here too. And this is the spa, as I said. So when you climb up, this is the kind of rooms. This is the lobby on the first floor. Want to wait. So the pro of the property is it's very scenic, very beautiful, and it's not dated. It's very well maintained property. The con is a little bit on the breakfast side, but I'm just going to take you. They have taken care of all these small minute details. As the key card holder we see. This is the washroom. Okay, the room which we stayed in also had the bathtub. So there are two categories of room, three in fact. But we can see it's beautifully done. One sec. You can see this. Right, this is the beauty of this. There's a balcony, you can sit out. Early morning, the birds are chirping, and right, you are in front of the lake. This is such a beautiful property. You can see this, like you can just have a cup of tea, you can sit and drink here, you can smoke here. It's really a beautiful property in that. This is a little bit of small room, but the next category is a little bit bigger, and they have taken care of everything right now. You can look at, there are two water bottles. You can also see the kettle and the coffee and the tea. Here is the fridge for the same. We can see the lights. The lighting is also good. The room is very well done for a 3-star 4-star property. So I really like the property and the view sitting outside. So I told you about the pros and cons of the property. I'm also going to take you to the best part of the property. The food is really good. The best part of the property is Umre, the restaurant. Upre, sorry. And Upre, we have to go get into this lift. Upre has a vivid menu. I'm also going to show you the menu. It's lakefront, they have music on. So let's go up and have a look at Upre now. So here we enter Upre. Look at the waiting. You have to book. So this is the menu for the Upre. All kind of cuisines are available in Upre for the veg lovers, and I think the price is decent. You have to book 2 slots. It's 7:30 to 9 and 9 to 10:30. And now I'm taking you to Upre. You can have a look at. This is the entrance point. We can just have a look at. It's being served. The live music is being played. So this is the view from Upre. There are special candlelight dinners available by the restaurant. We can look at it all. You can sit at the lakefront and have your dinner. Like you can sit like this and also have your dinner. There are so many choices available.